Looking for a deck sanders? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 deck sanders available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect deck sanders for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the DeWalt Random Orbit Sander. The DeWalt EWE 6423K is an orbital sander that runs on a 3.0 amp motor spinning at 8,000 to 12,000 OPM. This sander could be ideal for those looking for speed and versatility. The design features a separate counterweight that the manufacturer says helps to reduce vibration. That, plus the included rubber grip, could make this item relatively comfortable for long periods of use. The design is also shorter than what you would find in similar sanders on the market. Users, therefore, should be able to get closer to the work surface to attain a high level of precision. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Makita 94034X24 belt sander. Here you have a belt sander that uses a 4-inch wide belt and has a speed of 1,640 feet per minute. This deck sander could be the choicest for refinishing tasks. The power tool runs on an 11-amp motor and features variable speed control configurations. An extended base on this sander facilitates flush sanding. With its belt speed and size, you will likely get a faster stock removal. The designers thought of ergonomics with this tool. The front grip is large for achieving comfort and easy control. The included lever control could also help in effortless belt changing. At number 3 on our list, we have the Bosch Ros 20 VSC palm sander. From price to design, you may like the compactness of this power deck sander. The item could be most appealing to experts who want to polish a few wooden structures at home on the weekend. The Bosch Ros 20 VSC is a corded power tool that's been kept light and compact. It weighs 3.5 pounds and has dimensions of 9x5x6 inches. Its size and weight could make it ideal for one-handed sanding, reaching into smaller spaces, and ease of storage and portability. At number 4 on our list, we have the Skill 6-amp 3x18 belt sander with pressure control. In brief, what you get with the Skill 751001 include a pressure control technology that could help you attain the desired finish and 6.0 of sanding power. This is a small machine that could be suitable for a small shop owner. It probably wouldn't work well for commercial scale projects. The Skill 751001 deck sander has an avant-garde design that you may not have seen on any other tool in the market. It might take you a little while to learn how to handle it and where the controls and features are located. And finally, at number 5 on our list, we have the Speed Belt Sander. The PC352VS variable speed belt sander comes across as a sturdily built, metallic frame, deck sander. It runs on an 8-amp motor with belt speeds of up to 1,300 SFPM. It could thus be ideal for large, intimidating jobs. Here you have a full metal frame, making this sander one of the sturdiest in the review. Apart from sturdiness and durability, the metal casing could also help with heat dissipation. The sander weighs 10 pounds. The PC352VS deck sander features a long handle that could make it easier to work on a larger surface, while the base is designed for heavy stock removal. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.